What is up, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another video. Rush SRT here, back at it again. Today's video, we're actually finally doing the Camaro versus SRT race. I know that you guys have been waiting for this one for a while now. A lot of you guys asked me to race a Camaro SS, and I finally found somebody that was down to do it. And yeah, we're gonna run the cars today. So I'm heading over there and meet up with the guy that owns the Camaro, and we're gonna get a few pulls in for you guys to show you what the difference is between the SRT and the Camaro. One thing is that my car is at its heaviest because I do have a full tank of gas. My interior is in here. We got some stuff in the trunk, so I think that's gonna work against me today, but we'll see what we can do. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys over there as soon as we pull out. Yo, what's good, bro?
What's up?
Damn, it's just bright.
Yeah.
I thought it was white. Yeah, it looks good. You just get it wrapped?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, nice. All right, so this is the area right here?
Yeah, street or that street.
The only thing is I saw a cop like on the side while I was getting in there, so I just want to make sure. You want to like do a quick loop?
Yeah, yeah.
And then before we do anything?
Yeah.
All right, let's go for it. Think he'll bother us?
Huh?
You think we good?
I think we're good.
All right. All right, so what do you want to do first? You want a dig, a 20, 40? What do you?
We try to dig.
You want to dig?
Yeah.
Tires you're running?
Needles.
Oh, you got the Nittos?
Yeah.
All right.
Like, it's time for new ones.
Really? They look pretty good from right here. But all right.
It slips a lot.
Yeah? Do you have any mods done to the car?
No.
Like engine, your stock? You don't have an airbox, nothing, no exhaust?
Well, I got a spray pipe.
Oh, you're straight back. Okay, yeah, just like me. All right, for sure. You gonna warm them up at all? No? All right, cool. All right, guys, so we're about to do a dig real quick. So let's see.
Are you stick or automatic?
I'm auto. What about you?
Automatic.
All right, for sure. All right, ready? We both hooked.
Huh?
Did you hook?
Did I honk?
Did you hook?
A little bit.
Yeah, me too. All right. Do you want to honk it this time?
Yeah.
He slipped this time around. Alright guys, we're gonna do a 20 roll real quick. See how that works for us. Alright, here's good? Okay, let's see. Okay, who's honking? You wanna honk?
Yeah, I'm honking.
Alright, cool. Alright, whenever you're ready. Let's get going. Go back up. honking. You got it? One more time.
How much?
40?
40?
Yeah, yeah.
This way or going that way?
That way. Yeah. But you honk. I couldn't hear your honk.
Oh, it was too loud?
Yeah, it was a fucking hella loud back there.
One more time back?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I smell my brakes.
Yeah, me too.
All right, let's do one last time and then I think we're good. All right.
You want me to honk?
Yeah, honk, but I'm gonna try to hear you a little better.
All right.
Oh shit, you're like almost on empty. I'm rocking a full tank, bro.
Oh, is it for real?
Yeah. I filled up yesterday. I didn't know I was racing this week. I usually keep it at a quarter if I'm racing. But I just filled up at Costco. I'm like, fuck it. All right, let's do a quick run right here. 40, yeah?
40?
Yeah. Yeah, I hit something down there.
What?
Did you see what I hit?
No.
I don't know, I think I hit something. But I'm good still, no lights. What is? It's pretty fast for a boat, I know, yeah.
Yeah.
We're just grabbing a quick picture, we're out of here. What do you say?
Taking some pictures.
You just taking pictures?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Alrighty guys, so that's gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed that. That was the Camaro SS versus the Challenger SRT 392. Both cars are stock. This one has been wrapped and it looks really crazy, very bright. The owner of this car is Marrow Kid, so you guys want to go ahead and check him out on Instagram. He has some very cool shots that he's going to be taking. So Marrow Kid right there, give him a follow. And yeah, we're both rocking 315s, so I don't want to hear any of that bullshit of, oh, it's not a fair race. We both had 315s, aftermarket wheels, and we both did the honks alternatively. So, you know, it's as good as it's going to get with running down the street. So until next time, we'll see you guys later. Rush SRT signing out. Peace.